We're doing solar with the barrel vault on a batten. We're going to go ahead and use our adjustable bracket. You can see I got different holes so I can move this bracket over to keep it in the low part of the panel. So once we locate our rafter, we'll go ahead and throw our caulking down along that rafter. Then we can set our bracket down. And then we'll take our lag bolts that are provided, fasten into that bracket into that caulking. And then we can come back with our panel. You can see here, and then just fasten in those noses. And go ahead and finish off the rest of your panel.